Hi, this is John with WTI. And just following up with the trying to use more reusable materials and that is going to be easier for everything. This bamboo toothbrush from Colgate just does the job perfectly. So one of the things that I like the most from here. So I have a sensible or a sensitive mouth. So going with most of the toothbrush that I would use will go too hard on my teeth or my gum health. It's a little bit complicated. But having this bamboo toothbrush that all the little things in here are just soft like a pillow, it just makes it so much better. Makes having a good cleaning session of my tooth, it's just great. It's just a soft feeling. It's just reliable. I take it with me for different places. And as it's not so big, I don't have to be scrubbing really hard. Just this gentle moves and touch. And it's actually really good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.